Hello! Hello! To another video! This is crazy. I have a big problem with the lights. My lights are not working. As you see, it's just the bottom row that is glowing. It's supposed to be the whole thing. I bought like a very cheap light strip. I think I just bought it for like 10 euros. This is 10 meters of LED light. That actually smells pretty cheap. And I have like some connectors, because I think that was the big issue with my last setup, that those connectors are not great for those lights. So we bought like different lights, new connectors, and we will just change the whole system. So we start with removing what is in the shelves, so we have like enough space to work there. Then we remove the old lights, check what the problem is, switch to the new light, put everything back on, and it should work, in theory. There's no contact between the cable and the light, so yeah. Sometimes it works, sometimes not. So let me show you the problem. The problem is that we have this thing, and the ones that I use right now have like this silicone protection stuff on top. I don't know if you see that. It's like a silicone layer on top, and I really doubt that those connectors go through that silicone and the connection. So I bought like the cheap ones, which don't have this silicone layer. I hope that that is the solution for my problem, but we will see it when we finish that. Next step, clean the shelf. So the next thing we need to do is to remove those cables, because we don't need them here anymore. We need them on the new thing. And we need to cut this into the same pieces again. It hurts. That hurts your fingers. Ouch. So this is the new one. So in comparison, you see here, that one has the silicone layer, that one does not have it. I really hope that this will solve the problem. Yes. Here we go. It works. Same spot. Here we go. Let's just hope this works. If not, I don't know what to do. Oh my god, I will be so mad. Just remember, this needs to be a clean cut, otherwise we will have some issues. Boom! It's done. No way back. Okay, next cut is done. Think? Wait. I'm supposed to cut it here. The problem is there's no mark for cutting. I assume they just forgot to mark this as a cutting point. We go there anyway. Oh my god, please don't be dead after this. We did it. Okay, no problem. Here we go, last cut. Last cut. Boom! Here we go. So we have a connector. We need two. Nice. So, first of all, we have to remove some of the adhesive. Make a little bit more. Needs to go in there, behind the first layer. As you see, now it's inside. Now it's in there. So you have to open it a little bit more, and then put it in there. Oh my god! Oh my god! Why is that so hard? We did it, but we need to close that now. Now we have some tools. I think I did it. Almost, okay, just a little bit more. Now we did it. That looks pretty solid. That looks way better than the connection before. Whew, that was hard. Let's use... Ladies and gentlemen, we fixed it. Oh my god! That's so good! Yes! Okay, we have to do it like 4 times again. Oof. That's actually sad. Boom! Fixed it! Better than it was before. I still want to improve it. I don't like that the LEDs are visible, so we will change that in the future. But for now, I'm pretty happy with the results. We leave it like that. And I would call this a successful project. Nice. Bye-bye.